Well, guys, what we're doing today is we have to build a plate so I can put this Predator engine in place of this Kohler. The bolt holes don't line up. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace the engine. So I need to build an adapter plate with these bolt holes in it to adapt to these bolt holes. So what we're doing is I'm going to take this 1/2 inch plate right here, cut out me a piece 7.5 inches wide, and I think it was 14 inches long. This is going to be 2 inches longer than the bolt holes on this engine, because that engine there, if you slide it back too far, it hits the back of the deal. Anyways, that engine's bolt holes are back further than that engine, so, or the crank is in a different spot. Something's goofy. Anyways, that's what we're gonna do. So let me get the marking and cut this metal out real quick. All right, I got the plate cut and ground out. I'll put the motor up there and mark the holes for the one, and then figure out where the other one's got to go. All right, well, we got all the holes marked, so now I guess we'll drill the holes. right. Got all holes drilled. Get the bolts cut where they need to be, so I'm gonna weld the bolts to the plate, and this project should be done, so get the welding. Oh, there it is. Got the 4 studs here to hold the engine, and the 4 on the bottom to hold it to the plate that's on the air compressor. So now I'll put the motor on there. I don't know, I think I'll take it down and maybe try it on there, put it on the air compressor and see what she looks like. Won't be able to hook it all up, but we'll put it on there for them, and that'll be a wrap for the video. So I'm gonna get this motor on there, and we'll maybe take it down there and put it on real quick. All right, well, here we are. Motor in the back of the Ranger here. I'm gonna put it on this compressor. So let's get the mounting her, huh? Oh, that's gonna be fun. Fun, fun, fun. And just like that, One little move and it's freaking in.